Today I'm going to show you how to install your steel Armadillo ditch light brackets for the WK2 or Jeep Grand Cherokee 2018. It'll be the same thing from the 2005 model all the way up to 2019. This is what the bracket looks like. It comes wrapped up in this cloth to keep them separated so you don't scratch them. You got your two bolts here, which mount underneath your hood up there. And this is where you mount your lights to. You're going to take your bracket. You're going to look at it. If you're looking at it like so, and it's going toward the left like that, this is for the driver's side. The other one would be opposite that, simple, right? You're going to open your hood. You're going to need help. You got two nuts right here. You got one here. You got one here. You're going to have your helper hold on to the hood on this side and on the bottom. You're going to back these two off, 13 millimeters. After you have them off and they're holding it, you're going to put this underneath the nuts, but on top of the bracket here, okay? And then you just put the brackets back on, and you want to make sure you keep your line. If you have to, you get a Sharpie and draw it around here, okay, to keep it in alignment. So you have your, when you close the hood, your gaps won't have no issues. You're gonna take your bracket in this orientation. It goes, hold it, goes under, like so, and you put your nuts back on.
Make sure you keep it lined up here, and that doesn't shift on you.
Tighten them down. Work slowly. Don't close it all the way. You're going to check your gap all the way from the front to the back. Make sure this is not hitting anything as well, which it shouldn't, because steel Armadillo, they do good work. You see it's good on both sides. You close it all the way. Check your gap. Make sure it's even from the front all the way to the back and up around the top. You're going to check that on both sides to make sure it hasn't shifted on you. Perfect gap all around, and there's your bracket on the passenger side. That's the steel Armadillo ditch mount light brackets on a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everybody.